Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add and remove properties from objects in PowerShell. So, as I said before, in this video you will learn how to add and remove properties from objects in PowerShell. I think this is really useful when you are, for example, transforming or cleaning data. And now, first of all, we have to create a sample object that we will use as an example in this video. So, let's create, for example, maybe I would say maybe test object like this, and we will create a custom object. How to create custom object? I recorded a video about this. If you don't know, you can watch it, but I will show you really quickly. You have to just open brackets, and inside of brackets you have to type in PS custom and object like this. Now we have to do add operator, open the braces, and we have to add some values. So let's add, for example, the name that will equal to John. It doesn't really matter, this is only an example, you can do whatever you want to here. Age, for example, will be 22. And now we have to close that, of course, and we will list that, not user, but test object. As you can see, it is working. We have the column with the name, which is John, and the column with age, which is 22. So, this is how you create the PS custom object. This a little bit looks like a normal hash table, but this is not a hash table, because in a hash table we have a key value path. Here we have the objects, as I said before. So now, how to add a property into this object. First of all, we have to write the name of our object, so it is text object. Now we have to do pipe, and now we have to call the add member. By doing this, we can add the property, and we have to first of all specify a member type. In this case, it will be NoteProperty. Second of all, we have to specify the name of our parameter, so it will be, for example, city, because we don't have a city, we have name, age, and we'll add city. And third of all, we have to specify the value of this city, so it will be, for example, I don't know, Warsaw. It will be fine, I think. Now you can press enter, and we will list that. And as you can see, we have the name of John, age of 22, and the third column with the city of Warsaw. Now, how to remove property? We can do it also really easily. We will use a dot notation in this case. So, we can use user, not user but test object, because the name of our custom object is test user. Test object, I tested it on the user test object, so I'm kinda used to it. And now, test object, now we have to do dot PSObject, and now properties, and now remove, like this. And now in this parentheses we have to specify the object that the property that we want to remove. So let's say that we want to remove this in the middle, so we will remove age. As you can see, it worked fine, and now again we will call it test object, and as you can see, we only have name and city, so that means our age property has been removed. And this is how you can add and remove properties in your objects in PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.